In this video, we will quickly demonstrate how to digitize a tree from a point cloud. We will start by first checking the TE code and seeing how it's set up. As you can see, the tree is currently set up using a 1-point symbol for the canopy and a 1-point diameter circle for the trunk. The canopy will be dimensioned by the s4 scale attribute, while the circle diameter will be controlled via a d variable. For completeness, we will add a species attribute which will be set up as a choice list with some predefined values. Plus a height variable to store the height of the tree. Assuming it is necessary, we will also configure the text tab to plot those attributes if they exist. Percentage brackets frame any attribute that is required. Decimal places are controlled via a dot, and then the required number of decimal places. So that we can see any symbols and shapes that we are about to create, they need to be enabled visually. Now we make sure the correct code is selected before clicking on the cylinder picker. The initial radius of the cutting slice is 1 meter. If this is too big or small, it can be adjusted. Also, check that the pick mode is set correctly to pick the nearest or furthest tree as necessary. Having clicked on a tree, the cylinder finder will automatically display the best fit circle it has found. The cutting slice can still be adjusted by changing the width and height of the section. If the section is not visible in the 3D view, enable the Path option under the Sections tab. Should the circle fit disappear, then Auto Find needs to be enabled so that any change to the section causes the routine to update. The section plane can now be dragged into the appropriate position. Note, as the section moves, the D variable updates in the list of attributes on the right. Use the Pick Height button to set the level of the tree point, otherwise it will be set to the height of the section. Clicking in the S field will activate the DH and V measurement tools in the top right corner of the 3D view. Now, measurements can be taken directly from the point cloud data for any attribute that needs them. The same process can then be used to measure the height of the tree. Finally, the species can be set by making a selection from the choice list that we defined earlier. Click Digitise to add the new point with all its attributes to the model. Now click on the Find Circles button again to cancel the tool, or press Escape. If we close the section view and clear the path of the section, we can see the new tree detail. Enabling Always Visible for the model makes it much easier to see. Finally, we will verify the text has drawn as we would want in the second view. Maybe the annotation just needs to be moved off-center a little bit. We could just use Move Text, but Move All covers all bases in case other annotation is present, such as level text. That completes this small demonstration.